Hello and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been very long that I haven't made any video, but there were very much obvious reasons for that. This video is especially going to be in English. Actually, I'm taking a ride to Kolhapur from Mumbai. It was a very sudden plan, and I would like to thank Abhishek for giving me his bike for this ride. Why his bike? Why this ride? Everything will be coming soon. Stay tuned. I vlogged for a long time. Also, I'll be sharing with you people. Well, for now it's 5:15 in the morning, and I'm all ready and set. The setup is ready. I am ready. Within 5-10 minutes, I will be leaving from home. I'll head back on the roads and talk to you people. I'll be sharing what bike I'll be riding. It would be very helpful for you guys as well. It would be a very good experience for me as well as for you people, which I'll be sharing with you. Well, let's get back downstairs.
For the drive. So finally it's 6 o'clock in the morning and I have left for the ride. I have to cover up 500 kilometers. Let me trip it to 0 first. Yes, I've tripped the meter to 0. My tank is full. I refilled it yesterday. Now let's check out how much time will it take for me to reach those 500 kilometers. Well, this is a 2014 Avenger, let me tell you. 220 DTSI engine. And before leaving, a few things which I have got done is I have got the brake checked, I have got the oil checked, the oil was replaced, and the brakes were all right, and nothing much. These things I got it done yesterday, and thought of leaving. Well, I have no idea that how much time will this bike take. I am expecting a constant speed of 70-80 kilometers per hour. Let's see how much time will it take for me to reach there. The temperature is fine. I'm expecting no rains today. It's a perfect temperature for riding though. Finally I have left. It took me a lot of time to pack behind actually, but all in all it's just 6 o'clock and I have left already. Living in the early morning for me is like, I like to see the transition from night to day. It's the best part of ride, I feel. I have told this in the previous video as well, and I love that transition. Yes, so I can maintain the speed of 60 to 70. It's absolutely fine. There's no wobbling with the bike, no vibrations as well. So yes, I can cruise in 60-70. I'm expecting 8 to 8.5 hours for me to reach, which is excluding my brakes. So let's see how much time will it take. You guys can see the transition. It's almost turning into daylight. There's a lot of traffic today actually. It's almost 6:45 and I haven't reached Panvel yet. There was a lot of traffic back there. I haven't had anything in the morning actually. I just had a cup of tea. I was actually late, but okay, chalta hai. I'll have something ahead. I'm planning to take a halt post 100 kilometers. I've covered up 21 as of now. I'm running very slow because it took me 40 minutes to complete 21 kilometers. Is like too slow, but okay. It's said as always, slow and steady wins the race. So probably we will be cruising around 60 to 70, at the most 80s. I don't think so I'll be catching up 100 on this bike. Actually I have been using this bike for past 7 to 8 days, and I thought that yes, इस पे एक vlog होना चाहिए. I should take this bike for a long ride. It's a good cruising bike actually in 200 220 class. In this class I think it's the most comfortable bike. I haven't ridden Impulse as of now. I have one in my friend list, but I haven't had any chance to put my hands on them. But yes, this one is pretty comfortable. I don't know how long it will survive because it should maintain its temperature, covering up 500 kilometers. So basically engine temperature matters a lot. I'm sure she'll survive, and if she survives, I expect there should be a big shout out for Avenger 550. Shout out because of course new vehicles do survive. There's no issue with the engine or anything, but there's a 2014 model, and you know, taking her for this long distance was a bit risky affair. But then I thought that ठीक है, Bajaj है, you get spare parts everywhere. If at all she breaks down, it can be done anywhere, and the maintenance, I mean the spare part cost is also not too high. So let's give it a try. So officially we are out of Mumbai. The people who have seen my previous vlogs, they might be knowing that there's the snacks which I love a lot. When I prefer this road, I take a stop there. But today I'm already late and I'm not that hungry as such. So we have left Mumbai officially, and it's 7:05. So it took me an hour. There was a lot of traffic actually. I don't know if you can see, there's a lot of fog ahead. The temperature is also remarkably low as compared to Mumbai. But ठीक है यार, इसी का तो मज़ा है. I'm feeling a bit cold rather. I'm feeling a bit cold. See, whenever you start a long ride, I'll suggest you start in the early mornings because temperatures are low. You can cover a better distance in low temperatures. Comparably, traffic is also low. 7:35 and I have reached Khopoli. Probably within next 5 to 10 minutes we'll be starting to climb Lonavala Ghat. It took hardly 35 minutes for me to reach Khopoli from Panvel because the roads are absolutely awesome. Absolutely awesome. The best part about this travel is the roads are to the best. Traffic was jammed because he was facing issues to climb the car. They're towing him. This should be a free service actually. CLA. So finally we are out from expressway, out from traffic, and I think I've lost my 15 minutes there, but that's fine. So finally successfully completed first attempt. Had a break to stretch my body, hydrate my body, had some water, and it's 8:30. Had a break for almost 15 minutes. I'll go ahead and I'll wait for my breakfast and then head ahead for the journey. I think I'm somewhere 50 kilometers behind Pune, but temperature has fallen down like hell. I don't know if you can see, it's been dark here, there's a lot of fog here and I'm feeling cold. But the best part of the journey is, this is the best part of the journey I think. cold climate, fog around, and you're cruising your bike to your limit, sometimes to the bike's limit. Awesome. I think I need a cup of tea. I'll wait somewhere and have a cup of tea. Nice hot. Maybe a cup of coffee will also do. I think I'll drive another 50-60 kilometers and then I'll take a break again for having my breakfast. I think I don't know if you people can see the fog. So the amount of fog. Being a Mumbaikar, living in Mumbai since childhood, it is very difficult for us whenever I go to my native, because usually temperature is lower than what we face. See, if usually in Mumbai the temperature is 26, 27, and if it goes to 22, 21, we start feeling cold. Oh my god, it's cold, it's cold. But then at my native the temperature goes to 16, sometimes 15. You can see this just fog. I cannot see, like half a kilometer away ahead I cannot see. The visuals are too low. But this is the best part, to travel.
Just 20 kilometers away from my previous stop, and I had to wait because it's been drizzling a bit. So I have my wind shitter. I'll wear them and I'll start my journey. For the time being I have removed the camera from the helmet. So I'll be vlogging, I'll be catching you guys once I wait for my breakfast. Until then, stay tuned. It's been 4.5 hours I have left home. Traveled only 180 kilometers. Had a halt for my breakfast, and I'll be continuing my journey from here, most probably without any halt. A halt for just hydrating my own body. So let's catch you on.
So finally, after having a healthy breakfast, I had a sandwich. Here I forgot the keys. Yeah. Here we go. So yes, after having some stomach full breakfast, I did not have a cup of coffee though, because already my stomach was full having water. Then I had sandwich and then again coffee. So I thought let's skip the coffee. Well, we are running, I don't know, it's not too slow, too fast. But fine, all in all 180 kilometers from home, and it's 10:30.